Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very landmark judgment of Delhi High Court. The name of the case is SUMAN AGARWAL versus Income Tax Officer and others, and this case has been reported in 449 ITR at page number 517. The date of the judgment is 27th September 2022. A very pertinent issue has been raised by various assessees and various professionals that if the notice has been uploaded by the department on the ITBA portal, whether it will be a valid service of notice. For example, if the last date for issue of the notice is 31st March 2023 and the department has uploaded the notice on the income tax portal but has not emailed that notice to the assessee up to 31st March 2023. So whether it will be considered a due compliance in regard to the issue of notice by the department. This was the one of the core issue in this case before the Delhi High Court. So for this, the Delhi High Court said that posting the notice on the income tax portal without sending the mail to the assessee or without sending the notice through the registered post, either of the two, meaning thereby that income tax portal notice should be there, email ID should be there, the notice should be sent through the email ID or the registered post. In the case, only if the notice has been uploaded on the income tax portal and the mail has not been issued to the assessee, then it will not be a valid service of notice. For this, if we will read section 282A, which says about the authentication of notices and other documents, and section 282, which says about the issue of notice, and rule 127A, then we will come to know that the compliance of the issuing of the notice should be as per the Information Technology Act 2000, which says that the notice will be deemed to be served if the mail has been issued by the income tax department and it has come out of the reach of the department. So the important thing is that it should have left the server of the department and it should be in the form which is there and the mannerism which is there in rule 127A and section 282 of the Income Tax Act. So we have to see that if the mail has not been issued by the department, if the assessee has not received the mail, and only the notice has been uploaded on the income tax portal, then all the notices will be invalid and all the assessments which has been done in consequent to that will not be valid. There can be a number of the cases where the assessee has received the mail on 2nd April or 3rd April. So in that case, it is important to go into this fact whether the mail has been run from the income tax department side up to 31st March. If the mail has not been issued, or in other words you can say if the mail was not out of the control of the income tax department up to 31st March, then it will not be a deemed valid issue of notice or service of notice. Friends, generally the perception comes that if the income tax department has uploaded the notice on the income tax portal, then it is the duty of the assessee that the assessee will go daily to the income tax portal and see that whether there is notice or not. So this law is well justified if we will read section 282 in conjunction with rule 127A and rule 127, then we will come to know that only uploading the notice on the income tax portal is not sufficient and the assessee should have received the email or the valid SMS message or the speed post, only then it will be a valid service of notice. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is SUMAN JEET AGARWAL versus Income Tax Officer and others. And this case has been reported in 449 ITR at page number 517. The date of the judgment is 27th September 2022.